Hello college algebra student, this video is for chapter 5.3 part 3. In the first two videos we talk about how to find zeros of polynomial by guessing it after listing a possible list of rational zero and then use synthetic division to try and finally once you get some, it's over here. Once you get say zero that works, then you get another factor, and then you will factor the other factor and solve for all the zeros. So I did 3 examples, and of course you can always do this with the calculator. So I have an example here. I have a polynomial. I want to do find the zeros, but they're kind of difficult because the possible list would be plus and minus 1, plus and minus 4, and then plus and minus 2, 4. So there seems to be a lot of fractions. So I like to use the decimal to find the zeros once for all. So what you do is you go to a browser and open up a decimal. Move it over a little bit. And then you enter your, so this is from last time. So you enter your 4x cubed minus 4x squared function. 4x cubed minus 4x squared was the minus 13x minus 5. Minus 13x minus 5. So there, the zeros would be on the x-intercept, right? So you click them, -1, -1/2, and 2.5, that means 5/2. So you don't have to do any guessing. That's all the zeros. So you can just document it. So use decimal. The zeros are at -1, x equal to -1. X equal to -1, x equal to -0.5, right? -1/2, we like to write in fraction. And x equal to, the positive is 2.5, that means 5/2. That makes sense. These are possible, but we just don't want to do it but just go to decimal and get it. The next one is use whatever that you learn to solve a polynomial function. So this is for polynomial application, we only work with dimension of a box. So there's a box, the length is, so just draw this. And we assume that it's a rectangular box. Length is 1 inch more than the width. Width is 1 inch more than the height. So let's say height is x. The width is x plus 1 because it's 1 inch more than that. And then the length is 1 inch more than this. So x plus 1 plus 1, x plus 2 is the length. But the volume is 86.625. Find the dimension. So you will set up the equation that say 86.625 is equal to x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. So you multiply the other side out. 86.625 will equal to, FOIL this out first, x squared plus 3x plus 2. And now you multiply it, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x. That is equal to 86.625. Move everything over. So you have, because you want to find zero, right? So x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 86.625. That's kind of hard if I don't have decimal, so I'm going to use it. X cubed, is it? Plus 3x squared. Plus what? 2x minus 86.625. Okay, so the zeros are at the zeros. How many zeros do I have? Just this one. Yeah, seems like I don't have anything that cut it again. So So it seems like this is the one, so click on it. 3.5, so x equal to 7/2. So use decimal. Zeros is equal to 3.5 or 7/2 units. So what are the other dimensions? So, but this is x is the height, right? So the other dimension would be x plus 1, would equal to 9/2. X plus 2 is equal to 11/2. So the dimensions are, yeah, how come this doesn't write very well? Dimensions are 7/2 times 9/2 times 11/2. So that's the answer. So that's all I have for 11.5.